Welcome to Baba TV.
5 little ducklings flapped with glee, waddled off to explore near the tree. Mama Duck called, "Come back," but only 4 came down the track. 4 little ducklings splashed in the stream, chased some bugs and made a scene. Mama Duck called, "Come back," but only 3 came down the track. 3 little ducklings played in the sun, hopped on rocks and had some fun. Mama Duck called, "Come back," but only 2 came down the track. 2 little ducklings wandered far, quacked at frogs and chased a car. Mama Duck called, "Come back," but only 1 came down the track. 1 little duckling felt alone, shivered softly far from home. Mama Duck called, "Come back," but none of the ducklings came down the track. Mama Duck waddled, looking all day, over the hills and far away. She quacked so loud, "Come back," and 5 little ducklings ran down the track.